Your next computer should feel like magic.
Here's why it's the MacBook Air.
Dear friend, Bob.
Imagine opening your laptop and it just works.
No spinning beach ball, no fan screaming like a jet engine, no waiting 45 seconds for it to wake up. Just pure, silent speed. The kind that makes you smile every single time you lift the lid. That's not a fantasy.
That's the new MacBook Air with Apple's M5 chip. And right now it starts at just $999
for the 13-inch and all $199 for the breathtaking 15-inch. If you've been putting up with a sluggish Windows laptop, a hot-running Ultrabook, or even an older Mac that's starting to feel tired, this letter is going to feel like it was written directly for you. Oh, the moment everything changed. 3 years ago, most thin and light, laptops were a compromise. You could have thick or you could have fast. You could have long battery life or you could have power. Apple threw that rulebook in the trash with the first M Series Air, and now with the M5 chip, they've done it again, only better. This isn't just another laptop refresh. This is the laptop that makes you wonder why you ever settled for anything else. And here's what you actually get, no fluff. Lightning-fast M5 chip, just 10-core CPU, 4 performance plus 6 efficiency cores, and up to 10-core GPU. It flies through everyday tasks, photo editing, 4K video coding, and even light pro apps without breaking a sweat. Starts with 16 GB unified memory. No more only 8 GB regret. You can comfortably run dozens of tabs, multiple apps, and Apple Intelligence features without slowdowns. Upgrade all the way to 32 GB if you want. Stunning liquid retina display. 13.6-inch or 15.3-inch with P3 wide color, 500 nits brightness, true tone, and razor-sharp resolution. Movies pop. Spreadsheets look beautiful. Your eyes thank you after 10 hours. Well, up to 18 hours of battery life. Oh yes, really. Work all day, watch movies on the plane, then still have juice left when you land. Most Windows laptops are gasping by lunchtime. Completely silent. No fans. Ever? The M5 is so efficient, it doesn't need them. New 12-megapixel center stage camera. Crystal clear video calls. Looks like you're in a studio even when you're on your couch. New support for 2 external 6K displays. Close the lid and run a triple monitor setup. Perfect for professionals who used to need a pro model. Premium everything else. Magic keyboard with incredible feel, huge force touch trackpad, 6-speaker sound system that actually fills a room, MagSafe charging, 2 Thunderbolt ports, and that gorgeous aluminum unibody in 4 stunning colors, silver, midnight, starlight, and the brand new sky blue. And the best part? It's thinner and lighter than almost every competitor while feeling rock solid. But I'm not a creative person. You don't need to edit Hollywood movies or compose symphonies to love this machine. Students finish assignments faster and multitask without lag. Freelancers edit client photos and hop on Zoom calls looking sharp. Parents manage family schedules, stream shows, and still have battery left for bedtime stories. Business professionals close deals on planes and look polished doing it. Anyone who's tired of waiting on their computer will feel the difference in the first 5 minutes. This is the laptop for normal people who want extraordinary performance. Hey! The real people, real results. I went from a 4-year-old Dell that took 3 minutes to boot to the M5 Air. Now it wakes instantly. I actually look forward to opening my laptop. Sarah K, teacher. Got the 15-inch for my side hustle. I can have Final Cut, Safari with 40 tabs, Spotify and Slack open, and it's still cool and quiet. Battery lasts my entire workday plus evening. Mike T, marketing consultant. I'm not techie at all. But switching from Windows to this MacBook Air took 20 minutes with Migration Assistant. Everything from my old PC just appeared. Best decision I've made in years. Linda R, small business owner. These are real stories from recent buyers. The pattern is always the same. Shock at how fast and effortless it feels. Why now is the perfect time? Apple just dropped the starting price, $100 lower than the previous generation while giving you more power, more RAM standard, better camera, and dual external display support. Yeah, the decision is simple. You have 3 choices right now. 1. Keep struggling with your current slow, loud, short battery laptop and waste hours every week waiting on it. 2. Buy another good enough Windows machine that will feel outdated in 18 months. 3. Finally treat yourself to the MacBook Air M5. The laptop people fall in love with and keep for 5-7+ years because it never slows down. Most people who buy the MacBook Air say the same thing. I wish I had done this sooner. Don't wait until your current laptop dies at the worst possible.